Hello friend, welcome to the Smart Machine YouTube channel. This video detailing about Buy Gorgias pricing explained, futures, plans and alternatives. So let's start my video. Gorgias pricing explained, futures, plans and alternatives. Thought this may not seem like it's a first glance. Finding the right customer service software for your business is a really important decision. You need to be able to strike a balance between desires, futures and cost. Finding a platform that fit your budget while still giving your teams everything they need to deliver an exceptional support experience. For e-commerce companies, Gorgias meet all of the futures requirements: multi-channel supported and automations and self-service futures and integrations. With leading e-commerce platforms, however, their use based pricing plans and make their budgetary impact more difficult to predict. In this post, we discuss the pros and cons of Gorgias, explain their pricing structure, and provide a few alternatives to help you make the best choice of your teams. What is Gorgias? Gorgias is a customer service platform that focuses on helping e-commerce business, providing support for their online store with the software and how many great features that are perfect for asking shoppers. The most well known the deep integration with the e-commerce platform Shopify. The integration allow customer service teams to not to easily review customer order as well as edit or refund then right from within the ticket window. Not having to switch between applications can be a huge time savers, and seeing order into within the Gorgias workspace can help agents provide more personalized responses to customer requests. Gorgias key features: omni-channel support. Gorgias plans offers email, live chat, social media, Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp support. Voice and SMS channel are also available for an additional fee. Shared inbox feature. The platform offer and this basic of request management includes macros for quickly responding to common questions, ticket assignment, tags for organization, and ticket views allow teams to focus on your segmented groups or request. Gorgias CRM features like the customer's sidebar can help agents gain additional contacts when working with customers. Knowledge base. Gorgias has a knowledge based product that allow teams to publish FAQs and other helpful information in either an internal for external help center. Rules. The rules features help user automate tasks. This can be helpful for things like ticket assignment or tagging based on keywords. Automation. Gorgias offer the add-on package and focus on automations. It includes features like auto-spenders, articles, recommendations, and the ability to create custom flows to automatically handle customer-facing integrations. Integrations. All major e-commerce platform integrate with Gorgias, including Shopify, Magneto. In big commerce, there are also many only other integrations value via the Gorgias app and reporting. The Gorgias software platform offers several out-of-box and reporting dashboard. Thought the same are the only available the high price plan. HIPAA compliance. Thought the details the bid and the find and appearance. Gorgias can be confused the HIPAA compliance. Gorgias views the pros and cons. While the list of features above the impressive, how the implement should the bigger considerations for thus thinking about signing up for the service. Here are some Gorgias pros and cons are reported by their customers on popular review sites like G2 and the Trust Radius. Pros: simple user interface UI. Many reviewers praise Gorgias for its clean design and easy to use interface. Customers said all the found the platform simple to navigate, that they are able to get up to speed quickly. Support multiple store, and another popular aspect of the platform is the enable business to support multiple store from the single account customers, and we are managing several shops. Reported that Gorgias be able to handle all their immense accounts and with case integration. In addition with the Gorgias Shopify integration, Gorgias custom integrations the platform's ability to connect with other tools that their business with. Using this integration made it easier support agent to meet their customers needs. Cons: reporting several reviewers board and their limitations for Gorgias reporting capabilities. Customer mentioned that the platform's reporting feature doesn't allow for the same level of customization as other comparable help desk tools. Lack scalability thought the fan favorite of smaller business. Larger companies reported the Gorgias features set lack many features. Scam started with most enterprises led platform. Smart it called provides let Gorgia approach the cost good or bad. Let's take a look. Gorgias pricing explained. If you are shop of customer service software before, you're probably used to the most common types of pricing plan. User based pricing. With user based pricing, subscriber pay the monthly or annual subscription fee based on how many user agent seats etc their company will need during that time period. While most help desk use this types of structure, Gorgias uses a different method known as usage based pricing. What is usage different based pricing? Use-based pricing, also known as consumption-based pricing, is exactly what is a sound like. You pay for amounts of product or service you use during a billing cycle. In the case of Gorgias, their pricing plan are based on how many billable tickets, emails, chats, messages, etc. a business will generate. With the month plan, a level comes with a different amount of includes billable tickets. If you happen to go over this amounts within the billing periods, and additions charged in added to cover the overage. There are some clear benefits to Gorgias plans, the most obvious being the other seats allowance. All of the plans except of the starter and plans allowing you to add up to 500 users to account. This gives teams the flexibility to give your access to colleges across the organizations. What is the billable ticket? Given the most people think the ticket is any conversation, there's the Gorgias thought the help desk and will also be billable. Which what is a non-billable ticket? Since the covered is available is the pupil couple as example non-billable Gorgias ticket. Ticket without the public and tickets without the end reply not billables and interactions. Compliance pricing a lead of confusion customers when the nothing wrong with consumption based pricing itself. Leverage is beyond Gorgia. The best example of software platforms help scouts where Shopify help desk software of growing companies. Help Scout is a communication platform that make it easy to support the best care possible while having lots of people in a mailbox at once may seem chaotic. Help Scout collision detections can help keep everyone off of each other toss solutions. Our edition has been revised to make publishing articles even easier. To new shortcut menu allows you to add elements like image, call out, block quotes and tables and your articles quickly. The editor also autosaves in your content and your write, making short and loose and draft, and your some often have questions. Another types of message in the micro survey, a short survey that lets you collect feedback from the customers in your movement from the NPC to a simple thumbs and thumbs down help scout the survey. Types of feedbacks and the back of the decision data using the scout reporting. Help scouts the out of the box reporting dashboards for all of the features. Keep up the volume level, teams productivity messages, performance knowledge, best usage and more. Have some things specific you want to track and use stack and custom field to further drill down customs from needing to flip from tab to tab. Not a Shopify customers, no problem. We integrate with many popular tools that don't have the integration you need to can use our web platforms to build your own support their coverage when you need it most. Help Scouts, Head Scouts, customers and support team is here to make sure is always have the need. These teams offer 24/6 coverage across all times and pricings. Then next is the another options and pricing. Shopify inbox as the leverage addition suggestions. Smart bills and auditions. Sign up today. Sign up today and experience everything we have to offer. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.